morning everyone, my name is Prashiti Shekhar Jadhav. Today I am going to present a presentation on how to manage our life in coronavirus. Coronavirus and our life. Novel coronavirus COVID-19. CO stands for corona, VI for virus, D for disease and 19 for year 19. The term novel coronavirus means a new type of coronavirus. Symptoms. According to Centers of Disease Control and Prevention CDC, following are the symptoms: fever, cough, shortness of breathing, loss of smell, fatigue, muscle ache, headache, sore throat, vomiting, diarrhea, etc. Corona affect on human body. Viruses work by hijacking cells in the body. They enter the host cells and reproduce. Then they can spread to around the body. Corona causes respiratory illness and affect lungs. Precautions. Wash your hands often with soap and water for at least 20 seconds, especially after being in a public place, blowing your nose, coughing or sneezing. Avoid touching your face. Wear a mask. Mask prevent you from getting and spreading the virus. Everyone should wear a mask. Mask should not be placed on young child under age 2. Continue to keep about 6 feet distance between yourself and others. Social distancing inside your home. Avoid close contact with people who is sick. If possible, maintain 6 feet distance between person who is sick and other household members outside your home. Put 6 feet distance between yourself and people who don't live in your household. Clean and disinfect. Clean and disinfect frequently touched surfaces like tables, doorknobs, light switches, handles, keyboards, toilets, phone, etc. If surfaces are dirty, clean them. Use detergent or water prior for disinfect. Use a household disinfectant. Prevent the spread if you are sick. Stay home. Expect to get medical care. Can recover at home without medical care. Do not visit public areas. Take care of yourself. Get rest and stay hydrated. Stay in touch with your doctor. Avoid public transport, ride sharing or taxis. Boost immunity. Exercises. Even light exercises release the toxin in the body. Distress yourself. Practice meditation. Traveling. Avoid all kinds of non-essential travels. Supplement and immunity boosting foods. Vitamin C. It helps prevent common cold. Vitamin D. Vitamin D supplements have a mild protection against respiratory tract infections. Self-care guidelines. The Ministry of Ayush has recommended the following self-care guidelines. Drink warm water throughout the day. Practice meditation, yogasan and pranayams. Increase the intake of turmeric, cumin, coriander and garlic. Drink herbal tea. Avoid sugar and replace it with jaggery if needed. Inhale steam with mint leaves and caraway seeds. Big thank you to all Corona warriors. Thank you.